现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, we're teaching you the phrase to pay, 付钱.
减钱.
减钱, very simple. That's pay. Now, since Full Moon Fest is this month, and we all love to barbecue, anyways, let's talk about a situation when we are going shopping for barbecue. 这个月呢是中秋节，但是其实什么时候都可以烤肉啦，只说现在中秋节是烤肉节的那种感觉。
没错，奇怪。
所以大家都会约一起去市场或菜市场里面买所有的食材啊。然后你约越多人啊，其实越麻烦。
越买的东西越来越多。
对，大家什么都想要，然后要等待的时间真的很烦，要赶快买，赶快回去烤了。烤肉要时间的，大家不知道吗？
你烤好再叫我，我就过去吃。
Let's put you in this situation. You're just going out shopping for food, for groceries, and barbecue in this situation, and ask if your friends are ready to pay. 烤肉的食材买好了吗？ Have you gotten all the ingredients or stuff for our barbecue?
朋友嘅食材，
朋友嘅食材
買好嘛？
買好嘛？
朋友嘅食材買好嘛？
哦，朋友難道是烤肉嗎？ I like this. Let's teach you this. Okay, 朋友 that means to barbecue. Okay, 然後食材或 ingredients 叫做
食材。
食材 OK， 不是要吃的菜，其實也是要吃的菜，就是食材啦哦。食材 that means ingredients. Alright， 那都挑好了。Yes, I've selected them all.
都挑好嘞。
都挑好嘞。OK， 挑就是挑。Okay, that means to select. I've gotten all the stuff I need. Okay, 那我们去柜台付钱吧。Then let's go to the counter or the cash register and pay.
給人來去櫃台。
給人來去櫃台。
減錢好嘞。
減錢好嘞。最後四個就是付錢好啦，對不對？那櫃台櫃台嗎 ？Okay, that means a counter. But in this situation, since we're at the supermarket, 當然是要到前面的那個 cash register 然後付錢的櫃台，沒錯。Alright, let's review some of these very practical phrases. 講到烤肉我就好興奮哦。我們來這個蕊這幾個單字好了，就先從烤肉開始。Barbecue. 朋友 Okay, that is to barbecue. Alright, 食材的 ingredients. 食材 Okay, to pick 挑。Talk. Okay, to select or pick. Talk, just one word. And then the counter or cash register, 櫃台. 櫃台. And this month it's all about how to pay. And to say that in Hakka, 付錢. 減錢. And 這個 barbecue 吃完了，當然很好吃，很飽，多運動一下啦哈。And that does today's Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
什麼大家？
只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.